We got a total body off frame 1965 Chevelle genuine super sport. This thing checks all the boxes. GM Performance crate LS1 motor, crate 4L60E, overdrive automatic, complete custom chassis and frame and Willwood brakes and a Fab 9 rear end. This thing's got it all going on. Power windows, power locks, power seats, leather, stereo. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. My compliments to the painter. This car is slick. The fit and finish on the body and paint is about as nice as anything I have here. Square, flush, literally straight as an arrow. It's like red glass. If you notice, it's nice and clean. There's no emblems, no antenna. All this square. Look at the nice tight gaps. All this is real nice. This has the Kindig-it flush-mounted door handles. That TV show Bitchin' Rides, that's their door handles that were installed here. All the roof, the quarter panels, the trunk, all of this. All this trim was removed. Again, nice clean look. No trunk lock. That's a remote trunk. All of this is slick. I said they took all the emblems off. Well, they did put some nice sparkly Malibu SS emblems on the car, but other than that, all of this is really nice. Again, fit and finish is amazing. You push in on the door handle like that, pops open, shuts beautifully. I put the windows up, and even with the glass up, boy, it's a nice fit. So again, whoever painted this car, outstanding work. The whole roof, all of this, beautiful. No emblems, all beautiful. Laser beam straight. I think I seen one little nick on the edge of the door, so you'd have to look really hard to find a flaw because it's virtually flawless. Up front here, all the trim looks like it's been replaced. The moldings, the grille, the bumper, all that looks new. All new glass except the rear window, and it does have a light tint smoke, not tint, but smoked glass. These are power mirrors off a Mustang. Well, I don't know if they're power. I didn't see a switch in there for them, but they're custom mirrors off the Mustang. And it does have the lane alert if someone's next to you. I was reading in the receipts. I don't know if that works or not, but these mirrors have that, and the way it was talked about in the documentation, that might actually work. The rubber seals and weather strips are replaced. The car has a great stance. Riddler wheels, they're 18 by 8.5 in front, 18 by 9.5 in back. Big Willwood disc brakes behind them. It looks really sharp. We'll talk more about those in a little while. LED tail lights light up nice and bright. New rear bumper. All this is real nice. So yeah, one slick car. Let's open it up. Continue the tour. Okay, this has power door locks and power trunk release. When I said this paint's slick, I mean even slick to the touch. Underneath here is all painted real nice and smooth. Has the upgraded billet hinges, nice painted jamb, new weather strip. Inside is boxed and upholstered. These panels are just kind of set there. They fit in there nicely. The battery is behind this panel over on this side. You got a nice carpeted floor. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified about new videos that are posted. We put all sorts of great content up. So the jambs are painted as slick as the outside. That's why I say compliments to the painter. Really, I know what a good paint job is, and this one's exceptional. Weather strips replaced. New reproduction door panels and armrests. And look at those window cranks and handles. And I got to show you something really cool. See this window crank? It's power windows. There's a microchip in there, and it's all four of them, the back windows too. So if you look at the black metal dash, that's painted really slick. Again, compliments to the painter. And this whole instrument panel's custom. They're autocross gauges. There's over 2,100 miles only on the build. It's a digital shift indicator here in the middle. And this is somewhat reconfigured. I know the ignition would be up in the dash. I don't know if there would have been an ashtray, probably, maybe a speaker. So someone's filled this in and done a lot of work, painted it real slick. New glove box liner, even in here is painted. Nice SS emblem. Got some kick panel speakers. It's Bluetooth, so you use your phone to play your tunes through the stereo system. Nice air conditioning controls and vents. There's the ignition. Nice little console sitting here, armrest, cup holders. These seats are out of a Ford Platinum pickup truck. They're leather seats, all power, lumbar, the whole works. Both sides, they're both the same. We got seat belts in front. They upholstered the back seat to match the front ones. They did an excellent job. They're spot on. Then power windows. New panels and armrests. 6x9 speakers back there. The headliner fits really nice. That's been replaced. The sail panels, the trim, all excellent. Working dome light, new visors, new mirror. The steering wheel, this is glove soft leather. I love holding that wheel. And it's on a tilt column. And it says here it has cruise control as well. Also underneath the carpet, it's all sound deadener. It's a painless wiring system. There's a receipt for $580 for those pedals. So all sorts of stuff. There's a pile of documentation, receipts, and photos of this restoration. So it's a GM Crate LS1 motor. It's a 350, making it at least 350 horsepower now. Aluminum heads. Has the LS1 injection on top with the chrome rails, I think you would call them. Nice polished coil pack covers. All that was replaced. The coil packs, everything. It does have headers. You notice a nice smooth custom firewall, painted gloss black. And the inner fenders are gloss black. And it has these billet hinges that I love. They work so smoothly. We got a polished AC compressor and pulleys with a serpentine belt. Big aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Nice polished air intake tube. Has power steering with the remote polished reservoir here with stainless braided hoses. There's an overflow bottle for the radiator. And then it has polished power brakes. Has Newport Engineering. That's an upgraded wiper motor. Under the hood's painted gloss black. So yeah, Michael's going to demonstrate how that runs for you. And when you get back, we'll talk all about the undercarriage.
Everybody, got a super nice Chevelle here today. It's got a brand new LS1 under the hood, and that's paired with a brand new 4L80 automatic overdrive transmission. So nice to have that extra cruising gear. Definitely put some miles on this one. Got the turnkey reliability of fuel injection. Lots of other nice modern amenities too, like power windows, power seats. It also has air conditioning. It's just a great setup. And yeah, our shop went over it top to bottom, just like they do all the cars that we get in here in the museum. This one was really good. If you need a listing of all the service and detail that we did on it, of course you can contact somebody in sales, or the listings on the website as well. Well, this one also has cruise control, which I did test before, and that is working as well. And yeah, let's see what she's got. Absolutely no shortage of power there. And yeah, she revved out without a hiccup. Just a really, really nice configuration. And this car is really done up too on the undercarriage. I'd encourage you to go check out pictures of that. There's extra bracing. It's got a fabricated 9-inch rear end. Really high-end undercarriage. So definitely look into that, because it is very impressive. So yeah, and outside of that, somebody's gonna have a really, really nice cruiser here. No disappointments at all. Come out, test drive it for yourself, spend as much time with the car as you want. We'll even put it up on a lift in our shop so you can check out the underside if that's what you're looking for. And other than that, check out all the details, pictures, and full description on volocars.com.
So it comes with this tub full of stuff here, including a nice car cover. We'll put that in there before it gets lost or forgotten about. So it was body off the frame restored. The frame has actually been boxed and a lot of tubular supports added to it, and the whole frame was powder coated. It looks like a custom frame. And it does have all custom steering and suspension. Let's see, up front here, tubular control arms, coil-over gas shocks, spline sway bar, flaming river rack and pinion. In back is a Ford-Link Hotchkiss sport suspension with lowering springs, gas shocks, sway bar, and adjustable trailing arms. The frame was substantially strengthened with a tubular center section, boxed and powder coated. Custom fuel system with a VaporWorks stainless tank, and that's all compatible for the fuel injection. Wheelwood four-wheel disc brakes with drilled and slotted discs, and you can see nice big red calipers, big discs. I think that's the big brake package. 4 piston calipers, 6 piston calipers up front. Dual exhaust has a crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers, and these splitter tips, actually off a GTO, but I love those. Bottom of the motor is clean, custom oil pan, high torque starter. Again, a GM Performance Crate 4L60E overdrive automatic. Does have a finned aluminum oil cooler for the trans up front. A new drive shaft, so there's a sticker on it. Goes back to the powder-coated Mosier Fab 9 rear end. That's a heavy-duty 9-inch rear end. 31 spline axles, aluminum case, 373 posi gears. The floors themselves are all solid, undercoated. So this thing's got a long list, some really good stuff. And again, fit and finish, outstanding, as good as anything I have here. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get your Chevelle delivered home and how to get financed. You need help with that too. Thanks for watching.